open faces. Emma and Mommy opening it.
Wow, that sounds like so much fun.
Yeah.
Which ones do you have?
It has more.
You have 4. You have Masha and Bear. One for girls and Monster High and another Masha and Bear. So which one are you opening first, Emma? This is the surprise egg Emma's opening up right now. Whoa! What's inside? You need help cracking that open? Let me help you out. Uh-oh!
What is it?
We have to build it. What do the instructions say?
Monster.
It's a monster?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's a ring.
Ring?
Yeah, look. We have to put this and now the purple one. Which is the purple one. And then we have to put this yellow crown looking thing on top. And here is the ring.
Yeah.
Let's put on the ring. Give me your hand. Put your hand like this. Wow! Show everyone your ring. Okay, you take it off and open the next surprise egg. So now Emma's going to open Masha and the Bear.
It is Masha. Let's go here.
Let's see. Wow, that is Masha.
Masha is funny.
Masha's funny?
Yeah.
You like Masha?
Yeah. Wow, chocolate. What is that?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Wow. What is it?
What is it?
It's a bear.
It's a bear? Let me see.
It's cute.
It's a cute bear?
Yeah.
Which one are you opening?
Monster.
Monster High? This is the one Emma's opening right now. What did you get?
No monster.
It's not a monster? Let me see. This one. You put this in here. So the last one Emma is opening is... Which one are you opening, Emma?
Masha is crazy.
Masha's crazy?
Yeah.
Why?
She's crazy.
Why? She's funny?
Yeah. Take your turn.
Oh, let me see. This
It's Masha.
is why Emma's saying Masha is crazy. Look at her face. You're eating the chocolate? Delicious?
It's mommy. It's daddy. It's daddy brother.
It's the bear's brother?
Yeah.
You had this one already. You got this one in the other surprise egg. What these bears do is They come with these little stands, and you can stand it up like this. And you put the bear behind it, and it's like the bear's dressing up.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
They're falling down.
What is this?
That's the chocolate egg.
What is it?
Eat it.